Back. It's time to make important decisions about your Medicare coverage yet again. And this year, Southern Nevada has a new Medicare Advantage plan. And here to explain more about Senior Care Plus is CJ Bowden. It's great having you, buddy. How are you?
Great. Thank you for having me today.
Pleasure to have you. All right, so yet another plan. A lot of people are like, oh boy, all right, what's this one?
Absolutely.
This is great.
This is a good year. This is a good year for all those in Las Vegas, in Pahrump as well. We're going into Nye County, but we're bringing Senior Care Plus, a new care model to the Medicare Advantage market here, and we have new plans for those interested in a Medicare Advantage plan in this area.
So how does Senior Care Plus differ from the other Medicare plans that you see in Southern Nevada?
When we look at Senior Care Plus, I want everybody to know that we're a Nevada-based company.
Yeah.
We're the only Nevada-based carrier in the state, and giving a Medicare Advantage plan. We're also the only not-for-profit plan. One thing that really differs with our plan, even though we're an HMO, we act more like a PPO in the fact that if you want to see a specialist in our network, you don't need a prior authorization from your primary care physician. You can go right out and see any of those specialists in our network.
Gives you a lot more freedom.
It does. You can go out and get the care that you need. We want you to get the care that you need right away rather than resulting a hospital stay afterwards.
You've actually also partnered with P3 Nevada, correct?
That is correct. We only came down to this marketplace because of our partnership with P3. They can offer a care model that many other areas can't, where they actually give the patient the time and they concentrate on the front end on that primary care model, keeping you healthy and making sure that you don't fall sick and have to require acute services.
Ultimately, that makes things cheaper for you. It makes things cheaper for them, makes things cheaper for everybody. They can catch things sooner.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And with that being a not-for-profit, we take all of those monies that come into the plan. If we can make money, we put it right back into the plan in increased benefits.
Which is phenomenal. That's great.
Absolutely.
I mean, Medicare annual election period, this is a very important time. And this could, speaking of saving money, the decision you make, you could either have the perfect coverage for you, or you could be overpaying or underpaying and having to overpay later on out of pocket.
Absolutely. That's why it's so important to look every year at the documents that come to you on the plan that you're on, like your annual notice of coverage, to make sure that your plan isn't changing in a way that you don't like it.
The name can stay the same, but the benefits can change.
They change every year because Medicare makes different changes, and then also the providers change. Providers come in and out. Your doctor could be leaving the plan that you've had forever and ever. You go to the doctor and you'd have a rude awakening that, well, my primary care is no longer covered. Where do I go from here?
Yeah. Are there certain plan benefits that we should be on the lookout for that sometimes fall through the cracks?
Well, there's a lot of things, especially with Medicare Advantage, that are added to the plan, such as transportation benefits and different things. If you have a problem getting to the doctor's appointment, there's plans out there like Senior Care Plus that offer transportation benefits that will come and pick you up, get you to your doctor's appointment, and take you back home.
Wow, that's fantastic. So that's something to keep an eye on. If we want to learn more about Senior Care Plus, where do we go?
The best place to go is our website, seniorcareplus.com. We try to make it as easy as possible. And then also we have an office located down here in the valley you can walk into for care. We'll get you the information that you can put that up a little bit later. But we're a local company that you can come right in and talk to us person to person. Which
is fantastic. I know a lot of seniors, when this time of year comes, they're looking at it like almost like filing taxes, like, oh, Madon, what am I going to choose? It doesn't have to be so stressful.
It doesn't have to be stressful at all. If you need time, if you want to talk to somebody in person, you can do that. If you want to stay at home, not worry about it, do it all over the internet, you can do that as well. It's up to you.
Fantastic. It's great having you. Thank you so
Sean.
much.
I appreciate it.
Senior Care Plus. It's the new Medicare Advantage plan from Hometown Health, and they are your hometown place. They're here in Nevada. Come on now. Visit their website. Call their number right there on your screen to learn more. Senior Care Plus is a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.